Sometimes users need to update information they previously submitted. With Open Edit screen, users can quickly edit their own submissions directly inside the app without starting over. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Open Edit screen in Jotform Apps so users can easily update their form submissions while keeping your data accurate and up to date. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. Click the plus icon in the top left corner. From the App Elements panel on the left, drag and drop a list item element into your app. Click on the list element to activate the gear icon. Select the gear icon to open the List Properties panel on the right side. In the Properties panel, go to the Action tab. Here, you can define what happens when users click items in the list. Under When users click List Items, you can choose the interaction behavior. Select None if clicking the list item should not trigger any action. Choose Open Dynamic Page to display detailed information about the selected item. To allow users to update their submissions, select Open Edit Screen. You can also choose other actions such as Visit URL to redirect users to an external page, send email, or make call on supported devices. Once Open Edit Screen is selected, you can configure how the editor appears. Use Edit Screen Type to choose how the editing interface is displayed. Select Overlay to open the editor as a modal window on top of the current screen. Or choose Full Page to open the editor as a separate page. You can also add a visual cue using Click Indicator and choose Icon, Button, or None depending on how you want the list interaction to appear. In this example, we will choose an icon. Once you're done with the setup, toggle Preview at the top of the builder and view the app as a user to test the editing experience. And that's how you use Open Edit Screen in Jotform Apps. Allow users to easily update their submissions and keep your app data accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.